Choose your squishy dumpling. Are you feeling lucky today? Test your today's luck. The tension is rising. Which box will you choose this time? Next, dumpling. How lucky are you feeling? Choose your box. Is luck on your side today? Remember all of the colors. Where is the blue? Nice memory. Time to pick your squishy. Which dumpling will it be? No switching now. Feeling confident? Choose now. Your next pick awaits. Smash that like button. Still here? You're already a real Quick Quiz TV fan. Like and subscribe to Quick Quiz TV. New quiz every single day. One of these looks different. Can you spot it? Sharp eyes. Pick your dumpling wisely. Which box holds your fate? Choose carefully this time. Ready for the next one? Halfway there. Pick one and find out what it means about you. Are you free-spirited, ambitious, or a dreamer? Which squishy calls to you? Time to test your luck again. Feeling lucky yet? Pick a box, any box. Which one feels right? Drop your pick in the comments. Can you spot all three differences? You've got a good eye. Choose fast, choose smart. Next box, choose wisely. Which dumpling is calling you? Trust your gut. Choose now. There's a hidden unicorn in this scene. Can you find it? There it is! Which box are you drawn to? Choose your squishy, no take-backs. Hit subscribe so you never miss one. Almost there, choose your box. Final dumpling. You made it to the end! Like this video and subscribe for daily quizzes. Drop your score in the comments and pick your next challenge now.